Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the best 9/16 clip and setting 1080x1920 at 30 or 60 fps. Once done, import and immediately trim to the strongest 15-60 seconds so momentum is clear. Make a duplicate layer for effects and place markers at beats or actions. Now apply a simple mask or overlay to isolate the subject. This gives you an anchor for motion FX. As you work, keep clips short and punchy so edit stays snappy and viewer attention remains high. Once the base is ready, create keyframes for position, scale, and rotation. Make sure to ease the curves so motion feels organic. You should add speed ramps around action peaks and enable motion blur to sell movement. Layer a particle or glow effect where impact happens, and blend modes like screen or additive can lift highlights. Meanwhile, sync cuts to clear audio transient so visuals and sound hit together. Finally, apply a subtle color grade to unify tones and guide the viewer's focus. You finish by checking timing and removing any micro jitters, then export using H.264 or HEVC at 1080x1920 with a 612 Mbps bitrate for clean playback. Once exported, upload and craft a short title, concise description, and 1-3 focus tags. Choose a striking frame as the shown thumbnail. If you hit problems, clear the editor cache, re-render the affected layer, and confirm the project frame rate matches export. This usually resolves dropped frames or sync drift quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.